In front of me is INFINIX Hot 50 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up app lock. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling to hit Passwords and Security. Then scroll again to hit App Lock, hit Change Password Type and pick one of those to lock your apps. Then create it, hit Next at the bottom right corner, repeat it to confirm it and choose OK. Then you can link your account or hit Skip at the top right corner. Now to lock any app, use gray sweater next to it and go back. If you want to disable app lock from any of those apps, go into the same settings and click on the no green sweater next to it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!